Okay.
I am confused about my second dose of the vaccine. Can you explain this to me?
Okay. So we've had vaccines for decades now. We know what they do. They stimulate your body's immune response to fight a virus. In the trials, what's tested is following your first dose, the amount of immunity that you get in terms of your antibodies and what's called a T cell response. We know that by giving a booster dose, kind of increases the immune response, both in terms of antibodies and T cells. Different vaccines were tested for when the second dose was appropriate and when the antibody levels were optimal. Now, people are confused, and understandably, in terms of why the UK took the decision it did to increase the length of time for all vaccines for the second dose to be about 11 to 12 weeks. And the reason for that, so if you've got a vaccine, limited supply of vaccines, and you have your grandparents, and you've only got 2 vaccines, do you vaccinate one of your grandparents with 2 doses to give them maximal immunity? Or do you give each one of them a vaccine so that they're protected as much as possible rather than one not being protected at all? And so that's been the public health reason why the delay in the second dose of all vaccines in this country to 11 to 12 weeks. But it doesn't mean to say that you're not going to have the effective efficacy of the vaccine, because when you do have your booster dose, then you'll be in the region of the maximal protection that was found in the trials. So it is, from a population point of view, to protect as many people by having a first dose than giving people 2 doses, but fewer people being protected.